this time of year, we're buying all those annuals either to put into containers or to install in our landscape. But what do we need to do to keep those annuals looking nice all year round? Now, when we first get those annuals from the garden center, we're gonna have to be mean. And on some of them, we're gonna have to pinch off those flowers. We're gonna have to rip up that root ball before we go ahead and plant them. Now, throughout the growing season, we're gonna also need to pinch back some of those dead and dying flowers. We also have to make sure that we're removing those leaves that aren't looking their best. And if it's a flowering container, we also wanna add that additional fertilizer. That's what's gonna make these flowers bloom their best throughout the growing season. Depending on the type of flower, some of them we're gonna pinch back now so that they start to branch. So those things like our coleus are really going to do really well if we pinch back that growing point so they will start to branch out. Other ones that we're gonna put in our landscape that have a single flower on them, like a geranium, we would pinch back now, and then we would remove any of those spent flowers as the season progresses. So making sure that we provide that supplemental irrigation or that water to them, pinching them back, fertilizing them, and making sure they have the right sunlight that they need to have these flowers looking their best all year round.